Hello, children. So, here we have completed with our syllabus of EVS for final exam. I hope you all are doing your studies well and also started preparation for your exam. So, let us start with the revision part. So, here we are going to start with the revision part of this chapter number 18, Keeping Healthy and Fit. So, let us have a short review of this chapter and it will be very helpful for you to solve your test. So, good health keeps us active, strong, and fit. As I've already taught you that what all the tips we have to follow to keep ourselves healthy and fit. We should always follow some rules of good habits. You might be remembering that what all the rules I have taught you. Yes, we have to keep ourselves healthy and maintain a hygiene. Okay, the rules here are some we will see. Keep yourselves clean. The first rule what we have to follow is we have to keep ourselves clean. Exercise daily. We have to exercise daily. Have a good food habits. We have a good food habits. We should follow a good food habits too. And last we have to sleep well. We have to take a proper sleep. Okay. So let us see it one by one. Keeping ourselves clean. We should always keep our body neat and clean. So, what all the things we have to follow to keep ourselves clean? Let us see. We should brush our teeth twice a day, one in the morning and one at night every day. It keeps our teeth healthy. If you will not do all these things, so what all the things will happen? Our teeth will start decaying. Something will get stuck in your teeth and it will start decaying. Okay. Then you will have a toothache. Okay. The next, we should wash our hands before and after meal. And also whenever you go outside, coming inside, you should wash your hand as well as your feet. Okay. Then you should wash your hands whenever you touch something from outside. Okay. So because to avoid such types of diseases, as we already know that what type of diseases we all are struggling from. To avoid such types of diseases, we have to wash our hands every time whenever we come from outside. Okay. We should also comb and oil our hairs properly. We should keep our hairs also neat and clean. Some of you are not washing your hands regularly, okay, once in a week or once in 10 days. So it should not happen. We should wash our hairs daily. Or girls cannot, so they can after alternative days, after one day. But we should keep our hairs also clean, as this is also a part of our body. We should also wear neat and clean clothes. We should also use a cloth to cover our mouth while we cough or sneeze. That should also be neat and clean. Keeping our nails neat and clean. Okay. Nose, ears. So these all parts of our body also we should keep ourselves neat and clean. Like this way we can keep ourselves neat and clean. Means all the parts of the body we have to see. Not only cutting nails of our hands, but your foot nails also you should neat means cut it and keep it neat and clean. Okay. Next comes over your exercise. Exercise, it is very good. We should do it. It is very good for our health. Exercise keeps us fit and healthy. We should also play outside. Go outside and play. Playing outdoor games keeps us healthy and strong. We must stand straight and walk with our back straight. We must sit straight while sitting. We should keep our back straight. So all these things we should remember, that how to walk, how to sit. Okay. So this will help you to figure up your body. Your body figure will be fit and strong. Okay. Otherwise you will be just erected walking like down shoulders. So your shoulder will become down only. You cannot stand straight in front of anybody. So these all things you should always remember, that how you have to walk, how you have to sit. Okay. Next comes over your good food habits. We should always keep in our diet these all things like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, right? dry fruits like almonds, all these things, not the all but fruits and these all things we should always eat. Okay, we must drink plenty of water every day. Water also keeps us fit and healthy. We should always keep all the things in our diet. Okay, this type of diet is called a balanced diet. We must have our meals at a fixed time, right? We should have our meals at a fixed time, but you should always have a proper meal. Okay, in the morning whatever you have, like a breakfast, then lunch time you should have a proper diet whatever, then at night dinner time, okay, should be in a proper time. If 8 o'clock you are having, so daily at 8 o'clock you should. Okay, then next thing, we should always avoid the uncovered food, stale food from outside roadside vendors. Okay, don't eat junk foods like cold drink, chocolates. Okay, little bit chocolate, it's good, but not too much chocolates, cold drink. Then junk food like chips, noodles, Manchurian, these all things are not at all good for your health, children. So avoid eating all these things. Last but not the least, the last topic of this chapter, that we have to sleep well. Our body needs rest too, isn't it? We cannot go on working, sitting, studying. Okay, we must go to sleep early at bed, at least 9:30 or 10 o'clock, maximum 10 o'clock, not more than that. We must wake up early too. We must sleep for at least 8 to 10 hours every day. 8 to 10 hours sleep is very necessary for our body. Okay, we should never cover our face while sleeping. One tip is given here, as we should never cover our face while sleeping. We must keep ourselves healthy, fit, and active to do all our work. So, thank you, children. I hope you might have understood this much. And one message here: eat healthy and be healthy. Keep yourselves fit and healthy and also active. Okay. So, thank you, children. Thank you so much.